Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about conjunctions in English. Conjunctions are important words that connect ideas in sentences. Let's dive in. Section 1. Coordinating conjunctions. First, we have coordinating conjunctions. These words connect words, phrases, or clauses that are equal in importance. The main coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Examples: for, I enjoy reading, for it helps me relax. And I like apples and oranges. Nor, he doesn't like tea, nor does he like coffee. But, I wanted to go out, but it started raining. Or, would you like chocolate or vanilla? Yet, she is very busy, yet she always finds time to help. So, it was late, so I went to bed. Section 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Next, we have subordinating conjunctions. These words connect an independent clause with a dependent clause. A dependent clause cannot stand alone. Common subordinating conjunctions include because, although, since, if, while, when. Examples: for because, I stayed home because it was snowing. Although it was hot, we went for a swim. Since you are here, let's start the game. If it rains, we will stay inside. While, I listen to music while I study. When, call me when you arrive. Section 3. Correlative conjunctions. Finally, we have correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs to connect similar parts of a sentence. Common correlative conjunctions include either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, both, and. Examples for either, or: you can either watch a movie or read a book. Neither, nor. He likes neither football nor basketball. Not only, but also. She is not only my friend but also my neighbor. Both, and. Both my brother and my sister are coming to the party. Section 4. Practice examples. Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences with the correct answers. First one. I want to go to the movies. I don't have enough money. I want to go to the movies, but I don't have enough money. Second one. I'll go shopping. I have enough time. I'll go shopping if I have enough time. Third one. She is a teacher, a writer, she is both a teacher and a writer. Last one. It was late, I decided to finish my homework. Although it was late, I decided to finish my homework. Great job, everyone! Today, we learned about 3 types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. Remember, coordinating conjunctions connect equal parts. Subordinating conjunctions connect important ideas to less important ones, and correlative conjunctions work in pairs. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!